we came up with a 3D printing approach to print piezoelectric materials into any arbitrary forms, shapes, and even internal microarchitectures. So the beauty with 3D printing is you could actually create these materials like Lego blocks. You pile them up to create an intelligent infrastructure that is not only impact absorbing, stiff and strong, but also they can self-sense impact any mechanical stress coming from any directions, anywhere, without attaching any sensors. This will change the way how we design and use sensors and actuators. You can print these smart materials into any custom shapes. For example, your wearables, your shoe insoles, rings, or any materials that have tailorable shapes. And these materials are smart and they can sense stress, monitor impact in any directions. So we envision this would be a path towards a new way of manufacturing sensors and actuators, moving from the clean room to desktop 3D printers. And in the future, we can custom print designed smart sensors and actuators inside of any materials.